Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Boy Shoutout, and our topic for today is about the synthetic and long division. The objective of this topic is to perform division of polynomials using a long division and synthetic division. So first, let us discuss the polynomial of long division. It is a method for dividing a polynomial by another polynomials of a lower degree, and it is a very similar to dividing a numbers. So as you can see, when we are dividing of a long division numbers, okay, so almost similar siya sa ginagamit natin or gagamitin natin sa polynomial of the long division. So we have the divisor outside the division symbol and the dividend inside. And as you can see, our last number is what we call the remainder. And our answer here is what we call the quotient. Very similar siya sa polynomial. So, paano tayo mag-divide? Sa arithmetic, the same process. Okay, so let's start. So, example, using the long division to divide a polynomial. Divide using a long division, negative y squared plus 2y cubed plus 25 divided by y minus 3. So, step 1, write the dividend in a standard form, including the terms with a coefficient of 0. So, meaning, kapag wala yung term na nakalagay doon sa question, we need to insert 0 and the missing integers. The missing degree. Okay? So dahil wala tayong first degree, which is 0, y, 1, o dahil di na natin sinusulit yung 1, so we can consider this one as 0, y. Okay? So nag-insert tayo from the first degree or the first term of the highest degree, which is y cubed, 2y cubed minus y squared plus 0y, then plus 25. Okay, so kanina, tatlong term lang yan, nadagdagan because we need to insert this term. Okay, so yun yung unang kailangan natin because if we didn't insert that term, magkakaroon tayo ng problem or medyo baka magkamali tayo sa ating magiging final answer. Okay? So step 2, write the division in the same way you would when dividing a numbers. Okay? So ganito na po yung lalagay natin. So 2y cubed minus y squared plus 0y plus 25 and the divisor is outside which is y minus 3. Next, step 3, divide. So dito na tayo sa process kung paano magdi-divide, no? So first step here is to divide 2y cubed sa y lang. Okay? So 2y cubed divided by y is 2y squared. Then after that, this 2y squared, you need to multiply to y minus 3. So first, i-multiply mo kay y. 2y squared times y is 2y squared. Okay? Then 2y squared minus 3 is negative 6y squared. Then, after that, subtract. Okay, 2y squared at 2y cubed minus 2y cubed, 0. So, hindi na natin lalagay yan. Then, negative y minus negative 6y squared. Okay, so itong negative magiging positive yan. So, magiging positive 6 minus 1y squared, kaya siya magiging 5y squared. Okay? And then, so 5y squared, i-divide mo ulit kay y. So, 5y squared divided by y is equal to 5y. Okay? So, nasa taas na siya. Then, again, you need to multiply. 5y times y is 5y squared. Then, 5y times negative 3, okay, is equal to negative 15. Okay? So, ito na po yung nasa baba. So, bringing down lang yung 0y. Okay? So, ito na po yung answer natin sa 5y times y minus 3. And then again, subtract. 5y squared minus 5y squared, 0. And then 0 minus negative 15y is equal to 15y squared. 15y, sorry, that's 15y. Ano? And then bring down again 25. Then same process. 15y divided by y is 15 na lang. And then 15, pababa ulit, 15 times y is equal to negative 15y. That's 15y, positive. Then 15 times negative 3 is negative 45. Then subtract. 15y minus 15y is 0. And then 25 minus negative 45. As you can see, negative, negative, magiging positive yan. So it will become 25 plus 45 is equal to 70. Okay, so we have the remainder 70. Then, therefore, the fourth step, write the final answer. So, as you can see, we have negative y squared plus 2y squared plus 25 divided by y minus 3 is equal to your final answer, 2y squared plus 5y plus 15. Ito yung nasa quotient natin sa taas kanina, plus 70, the remainder over the divisor of y minus 3. Okay? So, ganun lang tayo mag-divide ng ating long division polynomial method. Okay? So, divide using the long method. Okay, ito, pwede nyo pag-practicean yan. Okay? So, pwede natin gawin din yan, no? Another, practicein nyo rin yan. Paano i-divide yan. Okay? So, you can chat your answer on the comment section. Next, we will jump to the synthetic division. Okay? So, paano naman mag-divide using the synthetic division? Okay, so first thing first is let us discuss what's synthetic division. It is a shorthand method of dividing a polynomial by a linear binomial by using only the coefficient. For the synthetic division to work, the polynomial and must be written in standard form using 0 and a coefficient for any missing terms, and the divisor must be in the form of x minus a. Okay, so yun po yung definition ng ating synthetic division. Usually, the synthetic division use only the value or the coefficient nga. So, tinatanggal yung mga variables. Okay? But after the removing the variables, ibabalik natin siya for your final answer. So, let's proceed to the step-by-step of using the synthetic division. Okay, so for example, divide 2x squared plus 7x plus 9 divided by x plus 2 by using the synthetic division. Step 1, write the coefficient of the dividend, 2, 7, and 9. So as you can see, first step, magtatanggal na tayo ng mga variables. But make it sure, kailangan uh, ang ating dividend must be on standard form. Okay? So, dahil ito naman ay naka-standard form, walang missing terms, wala tayong dadagdag na zero. But if may missing terms, like halimbawa, nawawala yung x squared, mas may x cubed, pwede natin dagdagan ng zero yung isang pwesto. Okay? So, dahil 2, 7, 9 ang ating mga coefficient, yun lang yung kukunin natin. Yung x plus 2 naman, equate natin into 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. And then, yung positive 2, transpose natin on the other side, so it will become x is equal to negative 2. So, yun po yung nilalagay dito sa pulang maliit na box na yan. Okay? So, ito po. And then, copy 279. Okay? And then, after that, zoom na lang natin. So, step by step ko na siya ipapakita dito. So, second step, ayan. Okay? So, bring down 2 first. Nababa mo na yung 2. Mumultiply mo siya sa negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then, plus, i-add mo yan. So, 7 plus negative 4 is 3. So, same process. Ganun ulit. So, 3 times negative 2. So, it will become negative 6. Okay? And then, add mo ulit. 9 plus negative 6 is positive 3. So, remember, kapag yung last part doon sa yung synthetic division, yun po yung iyong magiging remainder. Pag 0 yun, meaning that is a perfect factor. Pero pag hindi, may remainder kang matitira. Therefore, may 3 na value, may remainder tayong matitira. Therefore, your answer is 2x plus 3. So, yung kanina, highest degree natin is x squared. Magbabawas ka lang ng isa kasi isa lang yung x natin doon. Okay? So, it will become 2x plus 3 plus the remainder 3 over x plus 2. Okay? So, magba-backward ka ng isa na degree. From the second degree, which is x squared, magiging x na lang to your final answer. Pero halimbawa, nag-start ka sa x cube. So, magbabawas ka ng isa doon, magiging x squared na lang yung final answer mo. Okay? So, ganun po ang synthetic division. Okay? So, maybe we can have another example sa synthetic division. May isa pa akong sample dito. Okay? Oops, sumobra. Okay. So let's have another example for the synthetic division to divide by a linear binomial. So we have 3x to the fourth power minus x cubed plus 5x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. So nawawala dito sa ating term yung x squared. Missing term natin. So yung x squared magiging 0, lalagyan natin siya ng 0. But before that, yung x plus 2 gawin muna natin equate muna natin to into 0. So, x plus 2 is equal to 0, then transpose yung 2, magiging negative 2. Yun yung ilalagay mo sa maliit na box on the left upper corner. Okay? Then write the coefficient and A on the synthetic division format. Ayan. And use 0 for the coefficient of x squared kasi wala nga 0 doon, di ba? So, kinuha natin si 3, si negative 1, si 5, si 0 muna, and then si 5, then negative 1. So, kinuha lang natin yung mga value. Okay? Yung coefficient. Then, after that, bring down the first coefficient, then multiply and add for each column. So, we have here. Okay, bring down natin yung 3. And then after you bring down, pwede ka na mag-multiply. So 3 times negative 2 is equal to 6. Okay, and then add negative 6, negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 7. And then repeat the process. Negative 7 times negative 2 is 14. Negative times negative maging positive 14. Okay, then add 0 plus 14 is 14. Then multiply ulit. 14 times negative 2, negative 28. And then plus ulit. 5 plus negative 28. Mas higher to. So pag dissimilar sila ng sign, subtract and then copy the sign of the highest value. Minus mo muna and then use the sign of the highest value. So it will become negative 23. And then multiply ulit. Negative 23 times negative 2 is positive 46 na. Okay? Then add ulit. Negative 1 plus 46 is 45. Draw a box of the remainder 45. So may remaining tayo na 45. So if we write on the quotient, our final answer from the x raised to 4, magiging 3x raised to 3 na lang, minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 23. So the quotient is here na. Okay? And then plus 45 your remainder over the divisor, okay, which is x plus 2. So that's how to use the synthetic division. I hope you learned, and if you want to ask a question, just kindly comment on the comment section. That's all. Bye-bye.